Okay, children, all of you open chapter number 21. We will learn today about fun places, about the fun places. Page number 25. Okay, so what is the fun places? Where you go and enjoy your moments, okay, with your loved ones, with your family members. Okay, so these are called the fun places where like children goes to the park with their family members and enjoy there. Okay, have a picnic over there when they go to the beach or any resort and amusement park. Okay, a playground where children go to play. So these are called the fun places. Okay, so here what is written? The recreation spots are the places where you go for fun. Okay, the recreation spots are the places where you go for fun. So write the name of these places. So what you have to do, children? You have to write the name of these places where you go to have your fun. So number one, can you see here? What is the name of this place? Can anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, Bana Bhaiya.
Beach.
Yes. What is that?
Bridge. Park. Next park.
It's very good, very good. This is BACH, beach. The number two is park.
Park.
Very good, park. All of you write, start writing everyone. Number two one is park.
Park.
Number three is, what is number three?
Funfair.
Playground. It is the playground where children go to have fun.
Playground.
Okay, now number four, what is that?
Funfair.
Fun fair, very good. Fun fair. This is fun fair. Okay. So number one is beach. Okay. Number one is beach. Number two is park. Number three is playground. Number four is fun fair. Okay, children. Have you all completed this one? So what is a beach? A beach is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. So beach is an area of sand and or stones beside the sea. Okay. So most of the people go for the relaxation and sit there on the beach. Okay. What is a fun fair? A fun fair is an event held in a park or field that at which people pay to ride on various machines. So a fun fair is an event held in a park or field at which people pay to ride on various machines. What is a park? A park is a public area of land with grass and trees. A park is a public area of land with grass and trees, usually in a town where people go in order to relax and enjoy themselves. Okay. So park is a public area of land with grass and trees and it is situated usually in town. What people do? People go there in order to relax and enjoy themselves. What is a playground? A playground is a piece of land at a school or in a public area where children can play. So playground is a piece of land at a school or in a public area where children can play. Okay. So these are the definitions of beach, fun fair, park and playground. Okay, children, what you will do, you will write this. Okay, you will write these definitions in your copy. Okay, afterwards what you will do, you will write all these definitions in your copy. Complete this one. Okay, now children, just read. Children, can you see here? Open chapter number 22, all of you. Chapter number 22, countries and flags. What is written here? Countries and flags. So we will learn today about the countries and its flag. Okay. So what is written here? Given below is a list of countries and their flags. Match all the countries with their flags using utility box as clue. Okay. So yes. Yes, Arvika, you want to say something?
I have done. I have done.
You have done. Very good, Arvika. Okay. Yes, Pratyusha. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. So listen, just do this one. Mute everyone, mute. Yes, Arvika, mute yourself. So the first flag, India. Okay, we can see here it will join to the sea. Okay, will join to the sea. You can see here this is an Indian flag. Okay, now see Germany. Germany will go to the E. Germany will go towards the E. This, just wait. Germany will go towards E. Okay. This is the Germany flag. Okay. This one is the flag of Germany. E. Now Zimbabwe. Where the Zimbabwe will go? Zimbabwe will go towards A. This is Zimbabwe flag. Okay. A. Zimbabwe flag. Now what is the flag of Italy? Italy will go towards B. Okay. B. Indian flag have three colors. On the top is the orange one, and in the middle is the white, and the down is the green color. Okay, and in the middle we can see there is a wheel. Okay, blue wheel in Indian flag, and the Germany flag is the bottom is black color, the middle one is red one, and in the down we can see it's yellow color. Okay, this is Germany flag. Zimbabwe flag, we can see there are so many multicolors, like first green, then yellow, then red, then in between blue, then yellow, then green, and there is one star over there. Okay, so this one is Zimbabwe flag. Now, what is the flag of Italy? How it looks like? See, you can see here. It is first you can see the green color is there, then in the middle white color, then last you can see red color. Okay, so this is Italy flag. Now what is the Mexico flag? Which one is Mexico flag? Mexico flag will go to F. Okay, this one is Mexico flag. First one green, then in between white, then red, and one icon is made over there. Okay, now see United States flag. It will go towards D. It looks like this. The stripes, like the red and white color stripes are there on the flag, and one blue box is like that, and it is full of stars. Okay, so these are the flags of different countries. Okay, all of you have completed. All of you completed. Bana Bhaiya, have you completed? Pratyusha, Irene, Aishani, have you all completed? Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good, all of you. Very good. Very nice. Yes, Rehan, Aryan, very good. Very good, Ashna. Rishi, have you completed? Sanchayan, very good. Armin, very good. Very good, all of you. Yes, Argha, very good. Very good, Sampriti. Very good, Mohsina. Very good, Mandeep. Swastik, have you completed? Swastik, show me. Yes, very good, Swastik. Shivagni, very good. Very good, Diptha. Yes, Himadri, very good. Arohi, have you completed? Show me, Arohi. Very good, Zubaidul. Yes, Tirasa, have you completed? Very good. Ronak, show me Ronak. Tirasa, show me your book. All of you show me. Very good, children. Very good, Arohi. Yes, Ronak, very good. Tirasa, have you completed? Have you completed, Tirasa? Very good. Everyone mute yourself. We are very good, Chayanika. Yes, Mohsina. What happened? Yes, very good, Mohsina. Very good.
Ma'am, I can show my copy.
Yes. Very good, Irene. Very good. Okay, now mute yourself, Irene. Ashani, mute yourself. Okay. Now those children who have not completed, please complete this one. Yuvraj, have you completed? Yuvraj, show me your book. Yes, Soumyadeep, have you completed, Soumyadeep? Shiva, yes, Soumyadeep, show me. Very good, Soumyadeep, very good. Okay. Yes, Yuvraj, have you completed? Mijahil, have you completed? Just complete it. Himadri, have you completed? Yes, very good, Himadri. Very good, GV, very good. Arhan, have you completed? Very good, GV. Arhan, have you completed, Arhan? Shrishti, have you completed? Yes, very good. Raisha, very good, Shrishti. Raisha, have you completed, Raisha? Very good, Raisha. Very nice. Okay. Yes, Sagnik, Afrin, have you completed? Afrin, turn on your video. Sagnik, turn on your video. Ayush, show me all of you. Okay. Okay, children, now follow page number 27, chapter number 23, all of you. Okay, all of you follow chapter number 23. What is this? Guessing countries. Guessing countries. Okay. Guessing countries. The city and landmark in each row belong to the same country. So the what is written here? The city and the landmark in each row belong to the same country. Okay, fill in the boxes to write the names of the countries using utility box. So the first one you can see here. What is that? Paris, and Paris is written there, and Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is in Paris. So what we have to write? We have to write, just wait, the city and the landmark. So the city is mentioned here and the landmark is also mentioned. Okay. So what you have to do, fill in the boxes to write the names of the countries. Okay. You have to write the names of the countries using utility box. Okay. So what you will write? Paris is the city. Okay. So what will be the answer? It will be Eiffel Tower is in France. Okay. France. All of you write, start writing. Start writing. France. 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 Yes, very good idea. Just wait. Okay, see, so the Gold Gumbaz, just wait, I will show you once again. Eiffel Tower is in France. Okay. Gold Gumbaz is in Gold Gumbaz. Okay. It is written there, Gold Gumbaz, Karnataka. So where it is situated? In India. Okay, India. So this one, it's written London. Okay, London, the city is written London. And what is the landmark? Big Ben. It is located in UK. Okay, UK. Now see this one. It's written Sydney. And what is the landmark? Sydney Opera House. It is located in Australia. Australia. Yes, the next one you tell me. Where it is located? Peru. And what is the landmark? Machu Picchu.
South America.
South America. Very good.
Machu Picchu.
South America.
South America.
Very good. So the first one is located in France. Okay.
France.
The second one.
India.
Second one is located in India. Third one is
UK. Fourth one is Australia.
in
Fifth
Australia.
one South America.
South America. Okay, South America.
South America.
Now see this one. Did you know the clock tower of the Palace of Westminster, officially named St. Stephen's Tower, is commonly known as the Big Ben. So what is Big Ben? The clock tower. This one. This one you can see the clock tower of the Palace of Westminster, officially named St. Stephen's Tower, is commonly known as the Big Ben. Okay, so all of you have completed.
Big Ben.
So where is the Eiffel Tower located? In which country?
Paris.
Paris. Yes, it's the city. But in which country?
France.
Tell me, Arvika. Yes, Pratyusha. All of you tell me. Aishani. France. Yes, very good. And in Karnataka, Gold Gumbaz, where it is located?
India.
Yeah. London, Big Ben. Where it is located? In which country? UK. Yes. Sydney Opera House. Where it is located? Sydney Opera House. Where it is located? In which country? Australia. Yes. Now see Peru, Machu Picchu. Where it is located? South America. Yes, South America. South America. Very good. So all of you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Just show me. Everyone show me your book. Yes, very good, Arvika. Very nice. Very good, Banabhaya. Pratyusha, show me. Have you completed? Very good, Pratyusha. Very good. Yes, Irene, show me. Very good, Irene. Very good. Ashani, very good, Ashani. Yes. Arshi, have you completed? Very good, Arshi. Yes, Sanchayan, show me. Very good, Diptha. Yes, Sanchayan, very good. Very good, Diptha. Very good. Ronak, show me Ronak. Very good, Chayanika.
আনমিউট করা যাচ্ছে না
Okay. Very good, Chayanika. Okay. Yes, Arohi, have you completed? Very good, Arohi.
Yes, ma'am. I am completed, ma'am.
Okay, Arohi, very good. Very good, Ayush. Yes, Ayush, very good. Swastik, show me. Very good, Swastik. Yes, yes, Ayush, I saw your book. Very good. Very good, Ayush. Yes, Mujahil. Completed, Mujahil?
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था इसलिए मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ
Okay, okay, Ayush. You have completed, Ayush?
यस मैम
Very good, very nice. Which page?
मैंने
Plan.
नहीं पढ़ा
Okay. Okay, I will show you once again. Don't worry. Yes, Amyadi, very good. Ifra, very good. Arhan, have you completed? Very good, children. Okay, Mosina, very good, Armin. Yes, very good, all of you. Very good, Himadri. Very good, Sampriti. Very good, Kartik. Rashi, have you completed? Rashi, have you completed?
network I can't join.
Okay, so you have completed or not?
No,
One page? No, not a single page. Okay. Okay, children, I will show once again. Just wait. All of you mute yourself, children. Okay. Now see this one. Okay. So the recreation spots are the places when you go for fun. Okay, so what we have to do here, write the name of these places. So children, those who have not finished, please do this. Okay, follow the screen. So these are the fun places. Okay, these are the, mute yourself everyone. These are the fun places. So what is the first one here? First one is beach. Okay, beach, beach. These are the beach. Okay, so what we call beach? What is beach, children? A beach is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. So beach is an area of sand or stones beside the sea. See the next one. What is this? This is a park. Okay, this is the park. P-A-R-K, park. Park is a park is a public area of land with grass and trees, usually in a town where people go in order to relax and enjoy themselves. Okay, so now number third is playground. Okay, playground. What is a playground? A playground is a piece of land at a school or in a public area where children can play. Okay, so now number 4 is a fun fair. So what is a fun fair? A fun fair is an event held in a park or field at which people pay to ride on various machines. Okay, it's called a amusement park. Okay, fun fair. All of you have finished? Okay. Children, just lower your hand, everyone. Now see the flags. Okay, the countries and flags. Given below is a countries and flags. Given below is a list of countries and their flags. Match all the countries with their flags. Use the utility box as clue. So India. Okay, India, we can see here the flag of India is at number C. Okay, C. The flag of India, we can see here on the top is saffron color, middle is white color, and in the down is green color. The Germany flag, we can see. All of you do, those who have not completed. Germany flag will go to E. Okay, will go to E. Germany flag will go to E. The Zimbabwe flag will go to A. Okay, A. Italy will go to B. This flag belongs to Italy. Okay. And number F1 belongs to the Mexico. This flag belongs to Mexico. United States, we can see here, will go to D. This flag belongs to United States. So all of you complete this one. Those who have not completed. Okay. All of you finished? I hope everyone finished now. Yes, everyone finished? Completed, everyone? Have you all completed? Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Okay, very good, children. Those who are late joined, okay, those who have joined late, so please raise your hand. They have completed or not? Have you completed? Ayush, have you completed? Okay, very good. Rashi, have you completed? Very good, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Okay, children, now I'm going to end the class. Okay, you also leave the meeting. Okay. Yes, children, just wait. Don't go anywhere.